The Department of Health and Special Investigating Units say billions have been lost in fraudulent medical legal claims. They held a joint briefing yesterday. An elaborate probe by the SIU managed to prevent the loss of millions more. The unit also found that there had been collusions between lawyers and medical staff, and most of the fraudulent claims were linked to patients with cerebral palsy. Minister Aaron Motsoaledi has called for lawyers involved in these bogus claims to withdraw within 2 weeks or face repercussions. And for more on this, we speak to Melusi Xulu, a legal analyst. Good morning, Melusi. Welcome to Newzroom Afrika.
Good morning, Mr. Chaba, and to the viewers at home.
Could you take us through the findings and what your initial reactions were to the news of the SIU's findings on the fraudulent crimes?
Okay, my initial view is that there are issues, obviously, of fraudulent medical claims, which have been done by the attorneys allegedly, and they've been given 2 weeks for them to withdraw. But my understanding is they've already committed the crime, and they possibly know who committed the crime, so they are given a second chance, to be free of this crime, inverted commas. So maybe I think it's just a chance for them to redeem themselves, but obviously it's concerning that billions and billions of taxpayers' money has been fraudulently claimed. I think in the statement, the minister does say that it looks like it's the same thing that happened to RAF. Before there were proper systems in the RAF, there was a lot of money that were claimed fraudulently. At a certain point, there was millions that had to be recovered from the attorneys' trust accounts, including a high-profile attorney that I won't mention now.
What do you think is the reasoning of the minister to what, in essence, seems like just to allow criminals to walk free?
I'll give you an opinion, which obviously is just an opinion, but I think it might be that there are high-profile attorneys that are highly influential that are just given a second chance. It's just an opinion anyways, because any regular person that has fraudulently claimed an institution, a government institution, will be arrested, But I just think they are just giving them an unnecessary second chance, because what message is it bringing out? What message is it giving it out there? But for now, let me not put the horse before the cart. It's obviously allegations, but it looks like it's allegations that have been investigated, maybe thoroughly. Obviously, it involves the SIU. So it's something that is there, but it's for the attorneys to rebut if maybe they don't withdraw and then they are arrested. It's for them to fight against the case when it goes to court.
But also, why let
if
people?
It goes to court.
Yeah, why let people who had the intention of committing a crime go scot-free? I mean, would this not create a bigger legal mess?
I think I did not see the conference or the media when the media was being spoken to by the SIU and the minister. I think that's the question that they should have answered, to say, why are they giving alleged criminals, inverted commas, a second chance? But like I said, whenever there's an alleged criminal case, it has to be proven beyond reasonable doubt. So maybe there is another side that we'll get from the attorney. So let us be circumspect and not just painting them with one brush and say they're already guilty. I think there's more to this. But if they come back and they say they're withdrawing, is it not a trap for the Minister of Health to say, oh, now we got you? Maybe it might be, and this is another view I have, Mr. Chaba. It might be that they don't have all the information. So when you come and say, hey, I committed a fraud here, what if they then arrest you? Because there's no agreement between the alleged criminals or the attorneys to say, if you come, we're not going to arrest you. There's no signed agreement. What if they change their mind when you come and say, look, I made a mistake. I claimed 5 million and there was no injury. So, here's my withdrawal. What if then when you withdraw, they arrest you?
If that is the minister's strategy, is it legally binding? I mean, can it hold in a court of law?
A crime is a crime. A crime is a crime. It might be issues of entrapment, maybe, but look, the point is, if one has allegedly committed a crime and there is proof, he has to fight that in court. But let's see what will happen in the next 2 weeks, because I think what the ministry and the SIU is doing is something that is very strange from a criminal law perspective, where you've committed a crime allegedly, and then we say, no, you can come, withdraw whatever you've been trying to do. We'll forgive you, we'll let you go, we're giving you 2 weeks. If you don't, we're going to arrest you. We've never heard of such a situation. It's the first time I've heard a complainant, so to speak, saying, you can come and withdraw, I'll not charge you. But if you don't, I've got your records, I'm going to come for you. So let's see how this different way of solving a crime will be done in the next 2 weeks. I can't wait to see what the next 2 weeks will bring us.
That makes